Hello students, today I want to discuss with you all one basic term related to the circular motion. It can be very important for you all. First of all, I am telling with you all that is acceleration. Acceleration is what? Change in velocity upon time. Okay, acceleration means what? Change in velocity upon time. This is a one and basic thing. We can say this is a simple formula of acceleration. Okay, second thing I want to discuss with you all, that is scalar and vector quantity. A scalar which has only magnitude, not a direction. Clear? Or vector quantity means what? Magnitude as well as direction. Okay, so means scalar only magnitude, vector means magnitude as well as direction. Clear? So simply you know that our circular motion topic is going on. So simply I want to discuss some basic term related to the circular motion. You know, when anything will rotate around any fixed point, we can say this is a center point. So we can say anything will rotate around this fixed point. So we can say all these things which will come in the circular motion. Clear? So you can see circular motion direction can be as same like it. Clear? If we will talk about uniform circular motion, what? Uniform circular motion. So in the case of uniform circular motion, you know meaning of uniform. Uniform means equal in every case. So we can say, if we will talk about circular motion, so we can say here velocity is what? 2 meter per second. Velocity not, that is speed at this point, that is 2 meter per second. So we can say at this point also this will be 2 meter per second. At this point also speed how much? 2 meter per second. At this point also it will be what? 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second means at all point the speed will be 2 meter per second only. Why I am saying this one? This is a speed concept, because here no direction concept. Simply things, we can say body is rotating around this fixed point. So we can say it is rotating with the 2 meter per second, that is speed. So no fixed direction, so we can say it is a scalar quantity. So we can say it will be showing here uniform speed, because no direction. Clear? If we will talk about acceleration, so acceleration means what? Uniform speed divided by time. So we will say here that uniform speed divided by time. So it can be equal to 0, anything. We don't think so, that simply we will talk about that means uniform speed divided by time is equal to acceleration. Clear? Second thing also, I'm going to discuss how this circular motion can comes in direction concept. Second thing I'm going to tell you, tangent. Tangent, this is the one kind of line or function which will tell us about the direction only. Listen one thing, if anything will come in curve form or circular form, so you will not be able to tell the direction of this curve. So what will you do? You will draw tangent on this line. So by this tangent you can find out the direction of this curve. Means in which direction, means simply it is rotating, moving, anything else. If we will talk about circular motion, so in the case of circular motion you can see body will rotate around a fixed point. So we can say for finding direction also of this circular motion, a rotating object, so we will draw here tangent. Clear? We will draw here tangent. So we can draw n number of tangent on the circle surface. So we will get here n direction. So we can say here is not a fixed direction of anything which will rotate around a fixed point. Clear? This is a basic thing. But we'll discuss with you only 4 kind direction. Simply you know we have only mainly 4 direction. One is what? East, west, third is north, second is south. So east, west, north and south. East opposite will give us west, north opposite will give us south only. Clear? If we will talk about circular motion, listen student. So if we will talk about circular motion, listen here. So we can say this is your center point. So anything will rotate around about this center point, around this axis. Clear? So we will select 4 points on the circle. 1 point, 2 point, third point, and this is the 4th point. Clear? So if we will draw tangent on it, so we can say velocity magnitude how much? Now this speed magnitude how much? 2 meter per second in the north direction. Therefore we are giving direction to it. 2 meter per second north direction. So it becomes vector quantity. So we'll talk about this point only. So how much we will get? 2 meter per second. In which direction? We can say that is west direction. So talk about this point. So we can see here 2 meter per second. The magnitude is same at all points because this is a uniform speed. 2 meter per second towards where? Tell me student. South direction. Or here we can say 2 meter per second towards where? East direction. Clear? So you can see initially we were talking about circular motion without direction. So we can say magnitude at all points will remain same. If magnitude will remain same, so on that time we can say what? It will come in uniform speed. Acceleration will be uniform speed divided by time. So we will not mention here direction. Due to this we are taking that is the uniform speed only. But if we will talk these things, means we will connect this one with direction concept. So we will get here 4 points. So we will get here n number of points. But we will select here according to the direction only 4 points. Number 1, that is this point A. So we will get here 2 meter per second towards north. But at B point direction will change. So we will get 2 meter per second towards west. So here we will get 2 meter per second towards south and 2 meter per second towards east. So we can say at all points its direction is changing. If direction is changing, so we can say velocity concept is here. Velocity concept is here, but it will be variable. Means variable velocity concept will be here. Okay or not? Okay, because direction is changing continuously. So we can say there velocity concept will come here. Say yes or no, means it will be variable velocity. First of all, try to understand what is the meaning of uniform and variable. Uniform. Uniform means equal. Equal. Displacement can be there, velocity can be there, anything else. So equal things in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. Clear? But in the case of variable, anything can be changeable. Equal things can be unequal. It can be unequal. Unequal displacement, velocity, anything else. Second thing, unequal time also. Or third thing also we can say unequal direction also. But in this case you can see magnitude at all points will remain same, but direction is changing. When direction will change, so these things will come in variable also. This will be the part of variable. So we can say it will come in variable velocity. But we will talk about the circular motion now. Means uniform speed we are converting here in variable velocity. So we can say here uniform speed is equal to what? Variable velocity. In this case only, circular motion only. So acceleration will be what? Acceleration is equal to variable velocity divided by time. I was thinking about it, I have to discuss with you all this one. So due to this I am discussing these things with you all. So simply you can understand, or acceleration is equal to, we can say, uniform speed divided by time also. If in exam you will ask you, give one example which will show their uniform speed. The best example of it, that circular motion. What? Circular motion will be the example of it. Say yes or no. So this is the basic concept for understanding about the circular motion in the case of uniform speed and the variable velocity. If things will change its direction, on that time we can say we will get here means uniform speed or variable velocity. Variable part comes due to the changing the direction only by the tangent, by drawing the tangent on the surface of the circle. But one thing also we can say, the circle will show at all points magnitude, we can say without direction, magnitude will remain same. So on that time you can say there will be the uniform speed. So this is the basic detail and understanding of it. So all student try to understand this concept. If any doubt you can share in comment box. All the best to students.